previous part, we have described about routing and flashing the TWRP recovery image in Xolo Era 4K. Now, we are gonna remove the original software and add the MIUI 8 software in Xolo Era 4K. So, first of all, you need to download Xolo Era 4K MIUI 8 compatible ROM software, stock ROM, and I will provide the link in the description. So I have already downloaded the zip file in my mobile. So I will directly show how to install that ROM in Xolo Era 4K. So first of all, go to recovery image. If I have flash file in my mobile, I can directly go to recovery image without shutting down my phone. Yeah, here it is. So here you can go to recovery image by rebooting recovery. Here you can see that. Reboot recovery. First we have to do backup. In case if your phone has so much waste files or waste cache memory or anything else you don't need, you have to do wipe. Wipe means you have to only clear cache memory and something else which is not necessary. So I am clearing Dalvik or Artcake cache and cache by selecting this. So I am flashing and the Dalvik cake and the cache memory has been cleared now. And now I will go back and I will back up my present software by selecting boot image, logo, system and data. If you don't need it now, if you don't need the data which you have, you don't need to back up. These 4 items are necessary to backup. And where should you have to backup but not in the phone storage? I am selecting micro SD card. Okay. And swipe to backup. So now my total memory has been backed up and now I am ready to install the MIUI ROM in my Xolo Era 4K. So back again, back. So I am installing the MIUI ROM in my Xolo Era 4K. As of you can see this MIUI stable for Xolo Era 4K by Wiki ahead. So I am selecting the file which I have downloaded to install in my Xolo Era 4K. So I am now ready to zip out and flash my new MIUI ROM in my take this away zip signature verification. installation is going to be succeed. A disclaimer for you: don't try this by your own. In case you tried and failed, the phone will no longer work and your warranty will be also void. So please take care of your phone. For better experience, before doing the installation, please do factory reset of your mobile. This could take some more minutes. Now it's almost done and it's rebooting again. And don't panic if anything goes wrong. Just try to restore your backed up data and your previous version. See now, it's now MI and powered by Wiki. It could take up to 5 minutes to start, so please wait until to start your phone. So don't panic. So it's a starting point. Now we have to set this device as a new one. So press this, select English, and press next. Just connect to your Wi-Fi network. And go to the next step. Please accept that and go to next step. And it may ask sign in information into an MI account. And don't worry if you don't have any MI account, just create. So after signing into your MIUI account, if you have any previous account, it will ask like this: skip this step. Don't use. And next step, I proceed to next step. Next step, choose a theme. Okay, agree. In a previous version of Android, you turned off access to your location. Okay, it is my in my previous version I did like this, so no need to worry, don't ask you anything like this. Okay, and I will select any theme in this. I will select this rose theme. Yes, okay. Okay, select this rose theme. And next step. And themes are applied and we are now set. Let's welcome MIUI 8 in Xolo Era 4K. See this? It's a Xolo Era 4K but working with MIUI 8 ROM. You can see this phone, Xolo, but see MIUI 8 ROM. I will show you in settings, and this phone is in front of you. I am not doing any such kind of actions, that I am using a Xolo Era 4K mobile and I have switch it to MIUI ROM. I will show you the version in the settings also. Go to settings. Yes, here you can see the option of settings. Just go to it. About phone. And see now. Model number Era 4K. But Android version 5.0.2 MIUI 8. Okay. And see MIUI version. Here MIUI version is available with MIUI MIU. Just go to Play Store. There was a problem communicating with Google server. Try again later. Okay, next. Let's try it again. Okay, you have seen the problem, and this phone doesn't communicating with the Google server. That's why it doesn't ask the Google or login. See, once again you can see this. It's just checking info and it's showing there was a problem communication with Google server. It means it doesn't connecting to the Google server. This is the one problem. If you don't want to log in your device with your mail ID, it is not a problem at all, but you cannot use Play Store for installing the apps. You can install the apps through Google Chrome via downloading in Chrome. Okay, I will show you how. So, these are the G apps provided by this MIUI 8 ROM. So if you want more G apps and if you want to work with the Google, and you need to install G apps additionally into your Xolo Era 4K MIUI 8 ROM. So there is no Chrome. I will open a small browser and I will install a Chrome first from this. Chrome download. See, here is a private link rather than Play Store. I will open this and now I will download it from here. Okay. Okay, it is downloading in background. You can see here. Okay, the download has been done, so I am now installing. Hello once. Install. Accept. So in this way you can install any apps in your phone without logging into your Gmail. If you want to use Play Store, then you have to download G apps privately and install in your phone through Flashby app or through going to recovery image. See, installation is done and launching. It will work as normally, and this is the same version which is available in Play Store also. It's asking update Google Play services, but we don't have any login availability in this mobile. Next. Yes, I am in. No thanks. It's a Chrome now. In the next video, I will show you how to install G apps in your Xolo Era 4K. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit a like button for more videos like this.